Pronunciation practice of the words from the essay Female Orators written by Joseph Addison. Aspasia, Ovid, Socrates, Thomas, Irishman, Hudibras, Pippin Woman, Mrs. Fiddle Faddle. Rhetoric, eloquence, loquacity, wonderfully, fluency, discourse, dissertation, coquette, orator, expressing, entertains, flippant, christenings, undiscovered, juices, larger, universities, comprehended, utterance, fishery, malicious, proficiency, omit, perpetual, censorious, pliant, muttering, relinquish, dissect, gossips, admitted, copiousness, unreasonable, barbarous, extempore, channels, quarrels, censoriousness, wondered, jarrings, accomplices, employed, censure, launches, chairs, limb, allocution, azing, mimics, finer, puzzled, oratory, fabulous, neighborhood, anatomist, endeavored, plead, dart, feigned, strangers, tongue, parrot, carries, vibrations, petticoat, gossiping, passions, necessitated, glancing, figures, ballad, debates, praised, trifles, obligations, leaves, quoth, blamed, dissonances, professors, invectives, judicature, Cartesians, courts, affluence, instructed, suppressing, persuaded, conveying, charmed, retentive, organs, descriptions, tellers, tuned, pitied, disagreeable, fibers, enlarged, politicians, approbation, marry, glances, concealing, dissembling, reflections, heights, wanton, forbear, mongers, fancied, sighs, discourage, phrases, exhausted, served, rhetoricians, chide, coquetry, voluble, prudent, owned. Thank you.